Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a critical issue that many Oppo phone users face, but is often overlooked. If you're an Oppo user or considering buying one, you need to hear that one of the most frustrating problems with Oppo phones is that the power button and volume buttons often stop working just 6 to 8 months after purchase. Yes, you heard that right. These crucial buttons, which are essential for daily operation, frequently malfunction within months of getting a new Oppo phone. Imagine spending your hard-earned money on a brand new phone, only to find that you can't adjust the volume or even turn it on properly after just a few months. It's incredibly frustrating and frankly unacceptable, but that's not all. Many Oppo users report issues with Android apps from the Play Store not working correctly. This is a major problem because we rely on these apps for everything from social media to productivity. But that's not all. Many Oppo users report issues with Android apps from the Play Store not working correctly. This is a major problem because we rely on these apps for everything from social media to productivity. If you can't use the apps you need, your smartphone is essentially useless. Oppo phones are supposed to be reliable. After all, we're spending our money on them, and we expect them to function properly. What kind of brand fails to address such fundamental issues? It's not just a one-off defect, it's a common problem across various models. There are countless tutorials on YouTube about fixing Oppo phone button problems. If so many people are experiencing this, why is Oppo not addressing it? Tech content creators who often test the durability of various gadgets should be highlighting these issues. It's more important to talk about the real-world usability of a phone rather than just destroying expensive gadgets for views. Durability tests are great, but understanding the day-to-day issues consumers face is crucial. Oppo, if you're listening, it's time to improve the sensitive aspects of your phones. Attracting customers with great camera quality is one thing, but if the core functionality is compromised, those customers won't be coming back. Good camera quality is impressive, but not at the expense of basic functionality. In conclusion, Oppo needs to address these critical issues. As consumers, we deserve better. If you're considering an Oppo phone, think twice and do your research. And Oppo, we urge you to listen to your customers and make the necessary improvements. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.